About time.
Yay!
I have one in my pocket. Jaxon might need one. Jaxon, what's up?
Hi! Right now, we're getting our Bronco right now. Nothing's like a car show today, but if you look out, yeah, it's nighttime.
So what are we here to do?
We're here to go get a Bronco!
Excited?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, let's go do this.
All right, let's go.
So Jaxon had a hard time saying this, but we're at Ford of Kirkland right now, picking up Bronco. Gonna go take it home. And what are we about to do to this thing?
Customize it.
For what?
For SEMA.
Yeah.
Yep.
What do you think so far of it?
It's so cool. Dad, is there any cool things to it or anything?
I don't know, he's gonna pull it out. We can check it out. You wanna go video the Mustang or any other Broncos in here? Say, who is this? Like, do it, buds. Look through the camera and interview him. Who is this?
The owner.
No, not this. The salesperson.
What's your name?
Farhan from Ford of Kirkland.
We gotta go see Farhan at Ford of Kirkland if he's gonna hook it up with the Bronco. He did it for half price, so if you wanna see him, this guy's the man. Sometimes I'm the one videoing usually.
We gotta redo it. We gotta redo it later.
All right, bud, so here's the new Bronco. What do you think so far?
Awesome.
Yeah, good. Why don't you take us for a look at it?
Okay.
So what kind of rims are we gonna put on it?
Some red rims.
Yeah, some like 26s
Yeah.
with the big wide offset, all stanced. Cool, what else
No,
should
like
we do?
a little high. Like, we should make it higher.
Lift it?
Yeah, lift it.
What about new bumpers with the new lights on the front?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Are you ready to go or something?
Yeah, I'm ready.
What are we about to do?
So, we are going to go off-roading in the Bronco.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're going to Tahuya.
Tahuya.
Tahuya. Same place you did the dirt bike before.
Yes.
You want to do anything funny before we go?
I was gonna say cold start, but no.
Yeah, the cold start doesn't really work too well on the Bronco.
No.
Yeah, we gotta upgrade that. So we're about to go take out the Bronco, go to Tahuya, go off-roading in its stock form. So stock, we haven't modified it, right?
Oh, yeah.
So the next time we take it out, we'll have more stuff done to it. Like wheels, lift kit, that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Cha-cha.
Cha-cha.
Yeah.
So, all right, here we go. Follow us along.
Let's go.
It's not like that though, is it? What's the one that you did,
that?
the Thanksgiving one? The Thanksgiving dance in school? The turkey dance or something?
Turkey tango.
Yeah, do the turkey tango.
No, I'm not showing my viewers that. That's too weird.
Oh, look at, there's Jaden. She's getting in the car. We got the crew going with us. We got Jaden, Taya, Jacob. They're all in the back getting ready to go.
Tater tot Taya.
Tater tot Taya. All right, they're probably like cramped.
What's going on in the
Oh
vlog?
yeah, they're totally compact.
Is this gonna be a vlog? I want to be in the vlog.
No, I don't want to be in the
Jacob's
vlog.
gonna be in the vlog.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Henny.
So get your mask. It's in the glove box. Open your door. Oh, you have one. Good. Oh, we switch it up. Jaden's doing it now?
He's doing it with a rock.
She's pressing with a rock, then I'm checking it.
Oh, okay, cool. You getting scared at all, bud?
Huh?
You getting scared?
No.
I'm just kidding.
But I would get scared if I was on that one with the Bronco.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go head up the trails, go see what this is all about. See what this bad boy can do in a stock form before we mod it. Sound good?
Yeah. With that. Oh! Here we go, Sunny boys.
We whipping, so it's not.
It's cool you can see down below.
That looks like where our camera would be sitting right now.
Here's
I'll play the nose. Oh my god! How do I do fast? Guys, look at how good the drum roll sounds if I was trying. Look at how realistic this drum roll thing is. Look how
Wait, Jimmy, does this thing have a roll cage?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Should I go that way or? I'm just kidding.
Oh, this way. Sunny
This is
boy.
easy.
Word in.
Oh my god, real
I remember doing this with Razor, and I was like,
Sunny wheels, you can't stay alive.
Sunny wheels.
Oh, Sunny wheels, that's our
I
car.
get
Yeah, go on the side, baby.
Chill out, Jimmy. Jimmy,
Like
chill out,
this?
Jimmy. Oh my lord, here we go.
Honestly, I feel way more comfortable after doing SEMA. Because they take you on, you're like sideways on this thing.
look, I am literally tilted.
Guys, this was
I remember going through the
Look at this. Oh, you thought about it. You should have not thought about it.
You want to go that way?
Woo, I was gonna get scared.
Yeah.
We're a roll rider now. We were just a roll rider right there.
Bro, I'm rocking with the whoops.
I thought it was a Bronco roll rider. No.
That's looking a little deep, Jimmy.
No.
That is looking a little
That's
bit
sick.
That looks so
I think that's the back way to
That
go.
looks more than 3 feet.
Look at this dude's
That
got.
does not look like 3 feet.
This guy's missing a tire,
It's a
isn't
Jeep
he? Oh, look at that guy, bro.
The biggest.
Well, that Jeep.
Look at that guy.
That's cool.
You should get a winch for this thing.
I know, I'm gonna. Right? Is that we're putting a winch on, aren't we, buds?
Yeah.
We need a winch.
Oh my god! Sunny wheels!
Into my dad's boggin truck.
We whipping.
Sunny wheels. These sunny wheels are good. They're burning water. I'm loving what these sunny wheels. These sunny wheels are burning water.
Holes in the ground. Yeah, that would let the water in. Yeah.
No.
I remember my dad wrecked
PB&J's down here.
He did?
Yeah.
Did he get hurt?
Oh no.
That's good.
No, Dad.
Let's see if there's enough clearance to do this.
Oh,
bad boy.
we're
Jump,
good.
do a jump.
We
do a
good.
Jump, do it.
No, I just don't know if it'll even bottom out. It might bottom out.
Oh, why is it making that?
It's alright. There's skid plates on there.
Oh.
We good, we good.
Don't take a left.
Oh, that's good.
No.
I would not go through the dirt bike trail. Hey,
No,
Jeeps.
no, that's not a Jeep trail.
Let me see.
Why are you calling that a
It says
Jeep trail?
Jeeps. It just says no bikes or horses.
Quick gas.
Yeah, that's like a hardcore one because look how close the trees are and I have to take a right there.
Oh yeah, look at the left.
I'm not
though. It's
trying
like
to do
it's
that.
Like
No, we're
vertical
not
hill.
trying to do that. Oh, jeez, that's a razor. Nice.
Yeah, let's turn back around.
Nice. Oh, don't you think about taking that out of the trail. Were you telling me we were taking that out of the trail? That
I
small
want to go
trail?
over the whoops again.
Was that rear-wheel drive? It wasn't even a four-wheel drive?
No.
God.
That little truck
He
was
must have just
dang
been
messed
flooring it up
up.
the hill. He's
It
talking about
wasn't like
the
a
Yoda.
SEMA truck. It was
The
like
Yoda.
literally lowered a little bit. He was not fine. He was stuck. He wasn't higher
feel
than
more
like.
comfortable.
Hell yeah. Let's
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Why you going up that little mountain?
You just gotta go.
Whoops. I keep on hitting.
Oh, there we go.
I know.
Yeah, round the berm.
Come on, touch it.
No, no.
Round the berm.
Me and Jaden, they're safe.
Your turn. You're
Oh
good.
my
Yeah.
god, that tree.
I'm just gonna lean on you.
Of course, when it feels like it's gonna tip, I'm staring right at the tree.
I'll just lean over for you.
It's like 2 inches away from my
let's go.
face. Oh, imagine we just tip. You guys do that.
This thing's crazy. This is like no joke.
Yeah, this is no joke. I got no joke for my pants.
No joke for your pants.
No, Bob Johnson's saying that, not me. Because he has got
All over you.
his pants right now.
I know the
He's
seatbelt is
looking
like
down at his pants. No, it does not.
I don't think it'll make it up those rocks.
Oh my god, I thought you were going down
That's
him for a second.
crazy.
I thought you were going
Look at
down
it.
him for a second.
That's
I was
where, like, the-
Jimmy, huh?
Yeah, it's not doing that.
I don't think we can go
That's
down.
cool.
That is not cool.
That is
We're down there.
Y'all trying to do a
We're
front
sliding
flip?
back down.
Oh, we're turning around.
No, we're
No,
turning.
we're
No, we're
not.
Oh!
We're done.
Jimmy, you a legend. Go down him. We good. I say that it'll make it down this.
It will.
Easy.
Yeah,
Nope.
until we crash
Okay, there's a way.
into the.
Where's the four?
Oh,
So look at
that drop is gonna feel crazy.
This is trail mode.
Okay, put the brakes on before.
Oh, it wasn't bad at all.
Yeah, that's
That
what
was
I
easy.
said.
I feel like
How about look in front of us?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Oh,
Joe,
that
go
is
fast.
good. That
I don't know if I can do this because I
I
think
tried to hit these on my bike, I think, and almost died.
yeah, I
I
don't.
tried to jump one of these.
I think I'll get high centered. Well,
I
we'll see.
know.
I think we're good.
Whoa,
Pizza.
we could try on that. Not that.
Miss.
Oh, we good. This is fine.
Oh, okay.
This is chilling.
Yeah, this isn't even bad.
I like how I have internet here though.
Until we're going down,
Yo.
until we're going up, we're fine.
Can we go through this, bud?
It's so easy.
No.
It's not that hard.
No.
I don't know how to.
No. No. You, Dad? How did? Dad, we're going this way.
You want to go this way?
That's too dangerous. Look how big that puddle is.
Yeah, exactly. So that'd be more extra dangerous.
That's more dangerous than the puddle that we
we
just
ain't running it
went
through the big puddle?
Yeah. Jackson said, yeah, we just got stuck.
We gotta go through that big puddle. Right there. Look, straight across into the other trail.
Let's go.
That's a straight path to a W. It's like a lake. That's not, we just go under.
No, this is more than 3 feet. This is more than 3 feet.
It's steam.
Jackson,
You're fine, bud.
Don't open the door.
Jackson.
What about that one, bud?
Oh yeah, go. Ready, set, go.
No, no,
Run her down.
no.
See how fast you can go, Jimmy.
No, do not.
I say we push it down like 60 miles.
I say take off the brake and just coast down it.
Yeah.
Stop. It was supposed to be deep.
Oh yeah. Oh, get him. Oh.
Oh, big one.
I love it. I love it.
Oh, now you want to go for longer?
No.
Yes.
And just
Jackson, please.
Dad, you made me scared.
Yeah.
Dad, you made me so scared until you like didn't hit the tree.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yup. Oh, shit.
Oh my
my bad, my bad for the mouth.
Dad.
What?
My bad for the bad words.
Zoom in. Oh, can't see. We're not. He said we should run.
What's yours?
Dad, I
Just what?
The Riz does not have windshield
Oh.
wipers.
Which what?
So when you...
I'm taking a vlog.
No paparazzi. No paparazzi.
Oh, here comes the whoops. Oh.
That compressor in the back.
Oh, hold it.
Yeah, you get too long. Like, you
Ow,
got
I'm about to bonk my head on this thing. Keeping it down. I was like a
that
inch
fun?
away from
We're back at the
slamming my head on the...
Yep.
The compressor like broke my arm too.
Yes, we're back at where we started.
Oh, yep.
Jason, you're there.
Yeah.
So we can go through all the stuff. No, I think that's a really good job.
Oh, that is sick.
Oh, I did it again. I'm totally in like two-wheel drive mode too.
We're going in the puddles. Oopsie. Oopsie.
Not stealing our sayings, Jackson. Not even saying it for the right thing.
We're going in the puddle. Oh,
Dude,
oh yeah.
I think you're a nutcase in the Bronco.
I think compared to Marge Simpson.
Brand new shiny.
Big old oops. Oh, oops. We went in the
Oh, that
puddle.
is fun.
Dad, can I stand out there with Jacob?
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
Oh, they made it. They made it. Did they make it, Jackson? They made it. Yo.
That was dope. That was sick. Actually, it was easy.
Yeah.
How do I stop recording on this screen?
That's sick.
How was that?
Woo, that was awesome.
that
Did it even seem like it was like, did it seem like it was gonna high center at all? Or?
Not until we went to that puddle. What, bro?
The puddle? What's wrong with the puddle? Oh, when you thought we were gonna die? When the camera went black?
Yep.
The Bronco can do any of this though. It's not a big deal.
Well, scared.
All right, talk to your people.
Well, we're gonna go so much. We're gonna go more of this scary thing.
So what?
I can keep it coming.
Yeah, you should steal that. I'll grab it so you don't get yelled at by Jackson. I'll get Jackson the 1, 2 tickets back.
Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
What do you? But you said you didn't give it a 10 out of a 10. You only gave it a 6 out of a 10.
No, 9.
A 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Why didn't it get 10 out of 10?
Because the thing where we went underwater and the thing turned black.
Yeah, that was a little sketchy.
Yeah, and then I just had to give it a 9 out of 10. It wasn't
Cool.
the best, but at least it was a good mount.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, we're gonna take off. Next thing, what do you think? We need new wheels for it, or you want to put a winch on it? What?
Well, I don't really want a winch because that would be for an off-road car.
That's what we're doing.
I want to make it like a SEMA car though.
SEMA cars have winches. Okay, until next time, it's been fun. Thanks for joining. Make sure you do what?
Subscribe and hit the like.
Yes.
We need as many likes as the GTR one because we looked at how many likes that had and it had so much. So we had to have the same likes because there's no way.
So whose job is that?
Yours to get that likes.
Cool, it's been fun. High five.
Woo!
Been fun. Peace.
Make sure to comment if you thought whoever's the weirdo in this video. Because I think it's somebody else. I think it's Jaden. She's the imposter.
Jane's kind of a weirdo.
Yeah, because I don't know how she likes to rock crawl in this. Look how little. It was little. So
Bye.
peace, 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 please, peace.